Hi all, this is Gautam here. Today we're gonna see Way ANOVA in SPSS. So let us get into the introduction part. So what is ANOVA? In expansion, it is called as analysis of variance. So it is used to determine whether is there any statistical significant difference between the means of two or more independent unrelated groups. So previous video we would have seen for t-test. So this is all about ANOVA. So the difference of t-test and ANOVA is if we want to check the difference of opinion between the groups, and if we have the subcategories of only two, so we go for t-test. And if you have more than two groups in the independent variable, if you have more than two groups, we'll go for ANOVA. So here in example that we gonna see is like whether based on age, whether the employees emotional intelligence are differing. So that is what we're going to see here in today's session. So same way we have certain assumption has to be taken care. So first assumption is your dependent variable should be measured in continuous scale, either it has to be interval or a ratio level. And independent variable, it should be more than two categorical. So for example, here we have considered as age. So under age we have more than two categories, like 20 years and above, 21 and above. So such a way we have it. And next is you should have independence of observation. So there should not be any relationship between the groups in themselves. That has to be taken care. And any significant outliers, it has to be removed. And the normal distribution has to be taken care for dependent variable. And the homogeneity of variance, it has to be also been taken care before doing this ANOVA. So now we'll see by using SPSS how emotional intelligence differed based on age. So we'll work it on it. So here in SPSS, if you could see, I have entered the data, gender, age, marital status and all those stuff. So age I've given coded like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also for emotional intelligence, I have coded the items for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, strongly agree, disagree, which is measured in interval scale, and age, which is measured in nominal scale. Okay, nominal scale. So now let us see how to do analysis. So here in the analysis, have to go for compare means, and in that Way ANOVA. If you click on it, you will get this dialog box. So from here you have to select the age and you have to put it in the column factor. And also emotional intelligence, I have computed here all the emotional intelligence items together, and I have it as in a one particular scale. Even if you have in a subcategories for that particular variable, you can use it all those variable together. So I am putting it here in a dependent variable, and here you have option called postdoc. So in this postdoc, there are n number of different types of tests which is also available for postdoc. So probably which is most predominantly used is Tukey. So you have to select it that and click continue and OK. So here are the test results. So from this table, this is the first table, ANOVA table, from which what can we infer as like the F value is there and significance value. This significance value, if it is less than 0.05, okay, then which states that the null hypothesis is rejected. Like if we put the null hypothesis as there is no significant difference between age and emotional intelligence, so I am rejecting it. Why? Because the value it is less than 0.05. Okay, So next it is comes here the post hoc test. So post hoc test, which shows the, since there is a difference of opinion, among which group they are differing. So that we can find it in the post hoc test. So here it shows the result, it shows, so among all the group of people below 25 years of age, they are differing compared to all other group. So this value, it is the mean score of each and every group. So if you could see, the mean score is 96, and it is 104 for 36 to 40 years. So they both fall under two subsets. So if you could see, below 25, they are in significantly differing separately compared to all other groups. So this is about Way ANOVA. Please keep watching. I'll be posting lot more videos on SPSS. Thank you for watching. Thank you.